step is to unscrew each plate of thicker aluminum material, using this powerful wire pulling machine to stretch evenly, and then repeatedly unsheathing through multiple wheels. After multiple stretches, the aluminum coin has turned into an aluminum wire. You also need to unscrew the aluminum wire twice, and it only meets the usage standards after being stretched again. These are the aluminum wires used after unrolling the ribbon. This is the wire pulling for copper shoes, and pulling two at the same time also requires 2 stretches. There is such a mold inside the stretcher, it can ensure the uniformity of wire pulling. The equipment for stretching copper wires looks a bit more advanced, allowing you to see that after the second stretch, the copper wire has become as thin as a strand of hair. By lining it up evenly, it wraps around the wheels. Seeing this, I understand that the high price of the same line is not just a raw material issue. The processing process is also different. After pulling the threads, you need to merge these lines with hair as thin as the ones with hair. Normally, when you see wires, there are many hairy wires inside, which means there are many wires and sticks. Continuously spinning, after this digital driver completed the initial line merge, there are still some special wires that need to be wound with 2 layers of mica tape. During high temperature periods, the insulation can still be maintained. These copper donkey wires that have completed the initial line merging will be sent to this workshop for further grinding. After these wire rollers are disarmed here again, the preliminary shape of the cable core has been established. This is the online inspection record by the worker. Specifications are 50 square meters per kilometer. Word diameter resistivity per kilometer is 0.40 meters. Here are the aluminum wire/8 foot wires. After the footwork is completed, they will be sent to the extrusion workshop. The first step is to complete the extrusion of the inner insulating layer of the wire, which is a critical process. Together are evenly applied with an adhesive area. Polyethylene plastic undergoes online pressure testing after cooling. After completing the extrusion of the inner insulating layer, these wires along with internal filling materials are finally twisted in this large rotating device before being sent to the final stage. The outer protective layer extrusion island will first be uniformly covered with a layer of black polyethylene green through cooling. After detecting and printing related labels, qualified cables have been successfully produced. Professional quality engineers will conduct various tests on each batch of cables. Only after passing can they be shipped out.